Answer to suggested with the video on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replay to suggested on your TikTok app with a video easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now all you need to do is click on post. You can upload a video or you can record. For example, now let's choose replay between those options. You're gonna find it between the options in this video. Click on replay and click on suggested. Now this is some questions to answer. What's your favorite picture of yourself? Do you have any ridiculous goal in life? Choose the video. If you don't want those questions, just click on see more and you're gonna find a lot of suggestions. Choose one and start recording a video, easy and quick. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.